Hello everyone, this is Matt Miller at Burtness Motors here in Whitewater. I just want to give you a quick walk around the 2018 Ford F-150 we have here on the lot. It's an XLT. Tires and rims are good. This one's got the 6-cylinder engine, 2.7 liter, clean interior. Tonneau cover included on this one also. Just a good looking truck. It's a sport version. Keypad like all the Fords have. Power driver's seat, power windows, power locks. Really nice vehicle, well appointed, heated seats, plenty of connectivity, 4-wheel drive system of course. Really a nice vehicle. If you guys are interested in this Ford F-150, you're welcome to call the dealership here, 262-473-8080, or you can continue to work online with our online sales staff. All right. Hope everyone's having a great day. Thank you.